Hello, everyone. Here in this section, we will learn how to simplify, multiply, and divide rational expressions. In all these problems, we need to factor the numerator and the denominator, the numerators and denominators. Here, our first example is x squared minus 9 all over x cubed plus 4x squared minus 21x. So the numerator is x squared minus 9. This is the difference of two squares. 9 is 3 squared. So we can use this formula. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. For the denominator, you know, x is a constant factor, so we take a x out. Then we divide each term by x. X cubed divided by x, x squared. 4x squared divided by x, so that's 4x and minus 21, right? And this x squared plus 4x minus 21, this is a trinomial with the leading coefficient 1, right? So that means to factor this trinomial, we need to find two numbers, a and b. A times b equals negative 21, and the sum of a and b, a plus b equals 4, right? So you try to find two numbers. Product is negative 21, so one be positive, one be negative. 1 times 21, that doesn't work, right? No matter which one is positive or which one is negative, the sum cannot be 4, right? And then 3 times 7, negative 3 times positive 7, and this equals negative 21, right? And the sum of them is 4. So this is the right factorization. So you have x minus 3 times x plus 7, right? You cancel the common factor, x minus 3, x minus 3. So here we got x plus 3 over x times x plus 7. And don't cancel those 2x. These 2x, no, we cannot do this, right? Because in the denominator, x is a factor, but in the numerator, this x is not a factor. This is one term of the numerator, right? So we stop here. Similarly, for the second fraction, we factor the top. So you want both are polynomials, right? The top we can factor this 14, negative 14. So we can factor this as negative 2 times 7. Negative 2 times 7. The sum of them is positive 5, right? So you have x negative 2 positive 7, right? So negative 2 plus 7 is 5, right? And very similarly, the bottom you have the product of two numbers equals positive 2. So either positive 1 times positive 2 or negative 1 times negative 2, right? So you have x, and both be negative. And the sum of them is 3, right? Is negative 3. So we cancel the common factor x minus 2. So this one is x plus 7 over x minus 1, right? So now we know how to simplify rational expressions. And from here, you can see like if we have the product of two fractions, so we can factor, right? Then cancel common factors. So we don't distribute here. For the first numerator, you have x squared plus 4x plus 3. That is x plus 1 times x plus 3, right? 1 times 3 is 3, and the 1 plus 3 is 4, right? And the second one, we cannot do anything, right? That's x squared plus 4, right? If that's x squared minus 4, then we can factor, right? Difference of two squares. But here we can't do anything. So you have x squared plus 4. For the denominator, the first denominator, and the greatest common factor is 2 times x. 2 times x. So we divide the first term by 2x. You got x squared. Divide the second term by 2x. You have plus 4, right? And similarly, the second denominator, we can factor this as x plus 1 and x minus 5, right? 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. And the 1 plus negative 5, that is negative 4. Now we cancel the common factors. X plus 1, x plus 1. Cancel them, right? So this is 1. And x squared plus 4. X squared plus 4, right? So now we have x plus 3 all over 2x times x minus 5. Leave your answer in factor form. Don't multiply 2x. Don't distribute 2x over x minus 5. So we just can factor and cancel common factors. The next one is division. So we have a fraction divided by another fraction. We can first change to multiplication. The numerator, x squared minus 3x minus 18 all over x squared minus 4 times the reciprocal of the denominator. So you flip the fraction. So you have x squared minus 2x over x squared minus 4x minus 12. Okay, then factor. This is multiplication, right? We factor. Negative 18, and the sum is negative 3. So 18, that's 3 times 6, right? Negative 6. So we have x plus 3 times x minus 6, right? Anyway, you want the product to be negative 18 and the sum to be negative 3, right? And then you factor this negative 18, either 1 times negative 18 or 2 times negative 9, 3 times negative 6, all the other way, like you change the sign of the first one, right? And the only pair works here is positive 3 times negative 6, right? Of course, all other possibilities are not right. You have 1 times negative 18 or negative 1 times 18. None of them works. Or 2 times negative 9 or negative 2 times 9. None of them works until we got this one. This is the right one, right? Okay, then the second numerator, you have x is the greatest common factor. So you have x times x minus 2. The bottom, you have square difference of two squares, right? Negative 4 is negative 2 times positive 2, right? 2 squared. So you have a plus b, a minus b. Then the second denominator, negative 12. And here we have 2 times negative 6. The sum is negative 4, plus 2, x minus 6. And then we cancel common factors. You have x minus 6, x minus 6, right? X minus 2, x minus 2. That's it. X plus 2, x plus 2. Here, it is not a factor of the numerator, right? Both are in the denominator. So you have x plus 2 squared, the denominator, and the x times x plus 3, the numerator, right? Okay, thank you.